Aku apa tip siapa ngajungi? Gak kemen pat, tapi nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District, Dr. Abhishek Saini, ulakula di kinungalam ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo Peoples, bari dua circle, baon chimkhia ka jing ujo jong kaseng, ka paparsya ka jing don ki katto kat ni ki jaka puli, ki jaka sa jing samla puli, ki dukan ba kiwe ki Pyndonkam yu open court, jong jala Assam, ha ki Shnong ka bdang hap, hapo ka jala Meghalaya, ki badana ka than bari dua Ribhoi District. Ha ka jing kan bigila ptai khubor, hadin ka jing kendo UDC ya khalai terek na itung aja pun riau. Presiden kaseng uba denis nongrom ulai itu bagi jaka puli ki jaka sa ki kena puli bat ki dukan ki Pyndonkam da open court jang jala Assam uba dai 781023 Henry ajing shisha open court jang jala Meghalaya hakathan rat marwet udai 793101 ulai itu bau deputy commissioner un sabatha ya postal department bakan pen no mardor open court hakabai dai bat kani kakam
jing complain mo pidon ki school bagi industri bagi PG mo aki Shnong bari dua jungi na kling pa TI pinkot bakla but ba pinkot nyok jingkit na Sevio secondary school mo TI bakla pinkot ba kitho convent man apo kitho da ka pinkot kata ta kam juhap mo kung ngayo jingkit sa we ba kada ki khnak ki pass metric mo no TI borom de na school na momento atur kitho ka pinkot jong Assam mo kata ta kam juhap ka school kam hap ha jila Assam ba kin ai pinkot jong Assam na to na kaleng seng ba ni wan hane ba ai jing complain yo deputy commissioner mo ban kit kya ban sim ta ka action but one dam ta ka infection aki Shnong ka thau jingi but kadon sa way school mo DK school masya jong ka piling mo masya jong ka USM mo ba kitho bakla ki address kung ayo jingtip mo kitho ka Delhi Public School Khanapara perka ka school ka hap ha Shnong bari dua jongi career institute ka hap ha school ha bari dua jongi mo perka ki ai address jong Khanapara ada fi search Google Map rumah nyo address Delhi Public School Khanapara Ribhoi District kata ada kam jawab mo but ka ayu ka don ka industry mo the LN career industry mo ba kitho bakla atur kitho bakla jo ka address ba kitho Khanapara ki mention de Khanapara atur ka hap haka Shnong bari dua jongi mo kata te kam juhap mo ki part yo deputy commissioner jo ka Ribhoi District ban kit kya ban sim da ka action ban hai ki bro hapo jong ki ban one da ka infection di barok school industry aki area jongi Shnong bari dua tum dei tang ka Shnong bari dua mo ki mosmai killing bari dua bati Khanapara bati maikuli killing kata umtur ngamo dei tang ke Sevio mo di bar ki school bahapa area jungi mo ke industry bati PG mo
DC to wong ba in forward ya ka shti ka bangina submit show DC in forward show seki postal department bahkan sim bahkan le ka inquiry tapi sondat ka DC un sim ka senjang ka Pyndonkam te penyuang kumpala keren presiden dunia ba kini ki educational institutions bertiwai ki establishments kila Pyndonkam ya kata ka pinkot ka bapak lama kepada jong Assam pinkot te kani kala along ba disrespect iti breu ki jongi mo kani ka khan ka bari dua jongi but sukweru ki breu ki jenjar nama blai dembak ki breu ki jenjar ba ki dembak ini ki postal deliveries ba ki breu kimla ban receive ya kita ki shti ne ki official letters mo dembak ka post tang ba bakla open code but undi tangata ke long ba misrepresent ya ka geographical identity jaka ka jungi dani ka penduk pendam ya kata ka jinglong try ka jungi ka Shnong ka thau ka jungi Te kani kala long ka hurt ya ka sentiment na ni ka penmong ya ka sentiment juki beriu ki jungi. Te takadaw ni na tentu shu DC bun shim strict action against kini ki beriu ki belong involved, but kita look into the matter as soon as possible.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.